on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
My name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, I'm going to cover about Bitcoin struggles to break the 47K as the Fed's meeting looms. So the cryptocurrency investor may be moving to take risks off the table, with the Federal Reserve expected to accelerate the withdrawal of unprecedented monetary stimulus in the face of fast rising inflation. So you can see right now Bitcoin, of course, has dropped. At the time of this recording, it's at the 47,000 mark, and it plays a very critical role in the rest of our coins in terms of the whole crypto space. So the Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap, was lower and as it prepares for the week's Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting, which is happening right now as we speak. And this meeting will actually be about 2 days. It will start from Tuesday to Wednesday, and expected to end with the Fed announcing plans to cut the pace of the 120 billion a month asset purchase by 30 billion every month. This is the double current rate of reduction. Now, Bitcoin also tends to trade in tandem with the traditional markets, started in December around 57 and now trading at 46,600. And sometimes if you look at the crypto space, which I will show you in this chart, you can actually see the DXY. This is actually the dollar index, and right now it's actually climbing up. So there's a correlation between the US dollars and the conversion to cryptocurrencies. And then based on the cryptocurrencies, if you're doing things like the DAO, based on the network of tokens, you can see a correlation. So the EFTs, right? Also, crypto exchanges fund expert director said that they doesn't anticipate the move upwards for the cryptocurrency based on liquidations. So recently we saw a lot of liquidations happen, and it's a cascading liquidations, meaning once it triggers down, it just hits all the liquidations. And most of the DAOs, for those who are trading in DAOs and some of the cryptocurrencies where there's borrowed leverage, you see a lot of this coming down very fast. So we might hit the intrinsic value of the cryptocurrency in its base, and this actually is a good time to do dollar cost average. Not all one shot, of course. If you got 1,000, break it into 5 and buy it downwards, right? So the US has woken up and bought the anticipation of lower Bitcoin prices, which has pushed the price slightly, but still they are under pressures. Now this appears to be a strong feeling of uncertainty over the market direction. And now this is not only on the crypto space, right? It is also on the stock. You get to see this reflection where it's directionless, and we are actually just waiting for stimulus to actually come in into the system. Definitely, we will be talking, the Feds will be talking about interest rates, that they will be rising. And also at the same time, they will slow down the printing of money. So what that means basically is that when they reduce the interest, when they increase the interest rate and slow down the printing of money, people who actually took a lot of money in terms of loans, they might hopefully not get defaulted on not paying back those loans. So we are going through some tough times. So let's see. So the fear in greed index, of course, normally we cover this. You can see that it's right now a fearful market sentiment, right? With some of the northern hemisphere, the market sentiment was fearful, and this is almost about 2 months straight, according to Arcane's research. And they expect this uncertainty to remain predominant, consideration the time of being until there is enough momentum to actually break through. But also on the same time, our data shows that there's some movements in terms of over-the-counter purchasing of Bitcoin as we speak. So we in Root Zones, we are still bullish in terms of the crypto market. It's just that now they're just shaking and seeing how much investors can actually maybe dump their coins, take their losses off the table. And then Manish covered about 2 days ago that Bitcoin has actually crossed the 90% of minting, right? So that means that last 10% of Bitcoin, it becomes a final mile, a race for all the corporations, institutions, and countries. So when you put all of this, you connect the dots, the rich gets richer because they are able to withstand such a fall, while us as retailers maybe buying at a high price, we might, we can't see this kind of 50%, 60%, we'll just take that loss. So hodl, guys, hodl, and do dollar cost average. So so the
Yeah,
second
dollar
largest
cost
crypto.
average is really a safest and a good idea to put it in a Bitcoin. So every regular whatever your investment is there, you for every interval you start putting in an equal amount so that you will in a month or in a year you can see what is your portfolio going, what is your percentage profit, and all those. So dollar cost average is always good and safe.
Yeah. So our philosophy is be cash poor but asset rich. Of course, we don't dump every damn thing into crypto. We still keep a percentage of portion of fiat money, although it's deteriorating. As we know now in currencies, if you leave your money $1,000 in 5 years, it becomes $500. So imagine $1,000,000, right? So market right now also seems stabilized for a while as traders wait the Fed. So we will see what happens over the next 2 days. There might be more developing news coming out in terms of what the Feds will do and how it will actually impact the future of currencies, interest rates, inflation, cryptocurrencies, stock as a whole, and hopefully real estate. So let's see how that goes. So Bitcoin, of course, ahead of the pack. You can see some of the latest prices. They look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, the SP 500 also has reduced. Gold has also dropped. And the 10-year, the gone were the days where you can invest in bond and it will slow down your inflation. But today you can't make money, and this is one good indicator that a lot of investors use to understand how bad is inflation, right? So seems like Bitcoin is ahead of the pack based on CoinDesk. There's still one bright spot for CoinDesk 20. Polygon Matic has outperformed. Today also what we noticed, Avalanche. So Avalanche Network also started to peak a bit slightly. So a few sectors are still making money. Of course, Dodge, not to say it actually pumped about 33%. Because Tesla is actually going to make Dodge as part of its transaction. There's NFT collections. There's also Ethereum volume that we can see were some of the good runners today, right? EOS, Stellar, Polkadot. So yeah, I won't touch more on this. I think we've been always covering this in things. So CPI 6.8. The high inflation readings would be transitory, as the Fed has said. So if you look at the balance sheet right now, the US have actually printed so much money they in the last 4 decades. So this pump alone is causing that fiat money to be inflated into the economy to stimulate, and everybody just taking cheap dollars and pumping up. So only in November they kind of realized that the inflation is high, and a lot of the younger generation, if you are aged between 24 to 30 years old, most of them are actually savers, hoarders, in the sense that they are investing heavily into crypto. So they're not actually buying goods and products and services, right? So that is also creating another issue, and most people are not even filing for the loss of job in the US, because most of them are living off the crypto space. They just took a large amount of money, dump it into the crypto space and get that APY. I mean the 8%, 10%, and they were living off that, and they're not even working. They're not even looking for jobs. So there's a skill gap where there's jobs and there are not enough workers, right? So supply and demand is all shifting, and most of these people are actually blaming the crypto space. So that's the way it is. Maybe we are going through this transition. So Fed chairman Jerome Powell retires the word transitory. Basically what it means is, again, it's just a repeated news on the consumer price index, purchasing power, the trillions of debts that is rising, the dying of the dollar, and of course the weakening of the dollar. Purchasing power of crypto also gets affected, right? Because you are still taking fiat dollar to convert that into buying Bitcoin. What we saw right now is that a lot of people are buying stable coins, especially in the DeFi space. Aave is one where you can get about close to 8 to 10%. So that's something we are just observing. So that's all I have. Comment down in below, how is this affecting you if you are based in the US or anywhere across the world, because inflation is across the world. I'm going to actually hand this over to Manish for the next segment. So join us daily, live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And do like our videos. It will help to build our community of like-minded people to grow money and our wealth. Manish, back to you.
Yep. So, guys, if you remember and if you are our subscriber or followers since beginning, you might be knowing that in the past we have covered about burger swap, bakery swap, pancake swap, ape swap. I think what we have not covered is any swap. So we have all the experiences with burger swap, with bakery swap, ape swap, and pancake swap, but our experience so far was a terrible. Probably, I think you would have seen one a video where we have covered about hack. Uh, let's see. Just go through the comparison between these three major swap and see what is the outcome and who is the winner for this. So the crypto market has changed direction since DeFi came into the forefront of the market. The entire rave now is about DeFi, and we don't think that will change anytime soon. We, as in Root Zones, we also invested heavily in DeFi space. Guys, don't just get influenced. Do your own research before investing in DeFi because DeFi space is a bit risky. Um, First of all, you have to own the tokens in your own wallets. There are no KYC, there is no exchange, or there is no customer care. So anything which you are holding in a DeFi space is all your own, and you're making money. That's good. And in case if you get rug pull or hack, then it's again a problem. So do your own research until you're very comfortable playing with tokens, transferring here, transferring there in a wallet, swapping in the swapping platform. Don't do that. So let's talk about AnySwap first. AnySwap is a swap-based DEX built upon the Fusion DCRM technology to allow cross-chain coin swap to take place. The decentralized protocol also featured a liquidity as well as the automated pricing systems. On the platform, user can swap coins of blockchain that utilize ECDSA as its signature algorithm. For example, coin like Ethereum, XRP, BTC, LTC, and many more. So the main highlight of any swap protocol are cross-chain swap, decentralized cross-chain bridge, automated price and liquidity systems. What you might be asking or you might be thinking it, what is this cross-chain bridge? So cross-chain bridge is if you have a two different blockchains, Ethereum and Binance, or Avalanche or Polygon. So from one blockchain to another blockchain, you'll be able to swap. If you are holding a coin of BNB and you want to buy a Ethereum coin using this bridge, you will be able to swap and you will be able to buy. So cross swap is giving you a more freedom across the decentralized space so that you can go anywhere using the bridge and you can buy the tokens. So this is the major difference between any swap and burger swap and bakery swap, because burger swap and bakery swap are on Binance Smart Chain network. They don't provide any bridge. I think pancake swap provide a bridge, but with the limited currencies, limited tokens. All right, so let's move on. Yeah. Presently, the exchange support both Ledger Wallet and MetaMask with more hardware wallet planned. There are governance tokens called Any based on the Fusion chain. So Fusion chain is a blockchain which users could use to elect any swap working node. Oh, this node is also a concept. We will explore further in any swap what the node they are talking about. But this is one detailed topic which we'll be covering some other day. Okay, the function of any tokens allow for a full decentralizations of any swap protocol. This means those at any swap have no control at all over your deposit. Any swap started with any FSN pair on their exchange, and since then they have gradually added more coins such as USDT, Ethereum, Uni, etc. Moving on to the Burger Swap, the central idea around Burger Swap is governance and the community. BurgerSwap also stressed the importance of a decentralized exchange. In other words, the user participations in the governance of the protocol is compulsory. BurgerSwap deviate itself from the usual setting of the DeFi space, where real governance is found missing. Most protocol rarely, mostly on coders to modify the contract. However, that is not the case with BurgerSwap. It is designed to be a people exchange and they determine its parameters directly. The users get to say that the exchange parameters will, such as mind speed, trader fees, etc. The make sure user participate in voting. They are only eligible for staking rewards when they do it. Personally, we have a bad experience with Burger Swap. So when you are doing staking and yielding, you probably need to do your own research. Make sure your wallets are secure and you are using Ledger wallet when you are doing a staking with Burger Swap. Bakery Swap. Bakery Swap is all about making yield farming easier and cheaper for users. The fee of Ethereum gas fee price is proving to be a real challenge for a new and upcoming DeFi project. So to beat around the obstacle of high Ethereum gas fee, DeFi protocols like a bakery swap are launched on the Binance Smart Chain network. With this, allow the protocol to offer a cheaper fee as well as the faster transactions. So if you would have used the Pancake Swap, you would have known that if any new tokens comes on the Binance Smart Chain network using the BNB, you can swap it, and the slippage is 12%, and the slippage charges are very less compared to Ethereum. Whereas if you go to any Uniswap or any Ethereum based swapping platforms, you have to pay a huge Ethereum cost in order to do a swapping. If you want to see or refer our previous videos, Wayne has covered about Shiba Inu, and it's on Ethereum blockchain, and you would have seen that how much uh, extra money we have spent in order to put a Shiba Inu staking. So the key feature of Bakery Swap is reward for a liquidity provider through a bake token, which allow them to get a percentage of the exchange trading fee. The token can also functions as a tool for voting on a matter of governance of the protocol. Bakery Swap offer two type of liquidity pool. The first one is with the bake rewards and the second one with the bake rewards. The essence of this is to ease the informations of a new liquidity pool by the users. Guys, you will also see some of the comments or some YouTube channels also says that the bakery swap and this kind of swap, bakery swap and ape swap is might scam. But of course, there is no proper informations and no uh, justifying factor, I would say that that is a scam. But people being hacked frequently by using the staking that and before this live stream, myself and Wayne was doing some investigations on one of the hack, and we were trying to find out the wallets, and we found many informations and many such transactions which is being done on a bakery swap, ape swap, and this pancake swap. So definitely, when you are planning to do a eel farming or pooling, ensure that you do a proper research first. Okay, comparing any swap, bakery swap and burger swap. Uh, Terms of DeFi suitability, the DeFi economy is currently dominated by Ethereum-based DeFi protocols. However, the recent surge in Ethereum gas price has been a serious concern for new and upcoming protocol. This is causing a lot of new DeFi project to explore a new exciting options. Any swap is built upon the Fusion chain using the Fusion DCRM technology. The use of this technology allow you to interoperability of the exchange. That means users are not limited to Ethereum swap alone. Unlike DeFi protocol that are based on Ethereum, users are often concerned about how to swap their other assets like BTC, XRP, and etc. So the major difference in this DeFi space of these three is bakery and bakery swap and burger swap. Both are Binance Smart Chain blockchain. So you will have a very limited fee or something. Limited fees will be charged when you are doing any transactions. Whereas any swap, you can use Ethereum as well, but you also have options to use other coin for swapping. Transaction fee and rewards for any swap apart from the interoperabilities, the use of the fusion chain brings down the transaction fee. So the exchange claims to offer a transaction fee that are about 10,000 times cheaper than you will get it for the traditional crypto market. So any swap claiming it's very cheap in terms of transaction fee, which is 0.4%. But if you put this 0.4% slippage in a bakery or burger, your transaction will not be successful. You must need to change it to a 12% to get it succeeded. Okay, level of security. In the case of Burger Swap, there is a voting process that is a place to keep out a scam project. Look at that, guys. This is what I was telling you. So the Burger Swap been there are so many people has claimed that this is a scam project, but there is no such evidences as of now. But yes, there are many people being hacked. So when you're putting your hardcore or hard-earned money, you have to be very careful. Future projections, the 3 DeFi exchange offers so much promise. However, the question is, can they all deliver on their promises? We have seen many DeFi projects hit the rock. The most recent example is the Finance project. Okay, we should do a research further on this Finance
Mm,
project. What happened?
yeah.
The bakery swap things have started to look worrying already. Oh, with the project taking a sudden plunge in the value, causing losses for a retail investors. There are also concerns raised online about the suitability of the Binance Smart Chain for a DeFi project. Point to be noted. So they are doubting for the DeFi space on the Binance Smart Chain for a DeFi projects. So I think all the DeFi projects which is launched on Binance Smart Chain network was either failed or not have a great roadmap. I would say that. Conclusion: although all the three DeFi protocols are recently introduced, the first notable point is that of the three protocols, only AnySwap is not a fork of Uniswap. This means AnySwap offers something quite different from the other two. So the potential of the fusion chain also make the AnySwap an exciting project to partake in. Nevertheless, Binance Smart Chain is also forging ahead with the investment of its blockchain. This is to ensure that it can cater to the needs of the DeFi industry adequately. So that's all for today. I think hope you got some informations about these swap platforms, and moving forward, when you invest your money, you will be more careful. So that's the our intention to bring more awareness about these swapping platforms. That's all I have it today.
Yeah, thanks, Manish. Good article. So let's see what's happening over the market side of things. Fear and greed index, of course, we are still looming. Most likely, we'll see some light at the end of the tunnel in terms of decision making after the Feds give certain, policies that will be out, and people make the informed decisions based on the current impact. Looking at the stock market, the VIX also slightly a bit. Fear index has climbed up a bit, most likely because of narratives that is coming out saying that Bitcoin will cease to exist, it is worthless, and and all of this is just to shake you off to sell, and then this group of people will actually come in and purchase Bitcoin. So you can see across the market, things Solana, of course, AVAX as mentioned, they are having certain gains, particularly I think people are going into the DAO, especially for Time Wonderland in AVAX. So you can see a nice AVAX is actually also climbing in terms of their ecosystem. Looking at the market, of course, we have 15,000 cryptos, 400 exchanges. Bitcoin and Ethereum takes about 70% of the market share. Top 3 coins: Floki, Inu, Dogecoin, and Solana. Now, Bitcoin is down by 0.12, Ethereum down by 2.43, BNB down by 2.37, Solana up by 0.72, Cardano down by 1.65, XRP down by 1.34, Doge down by 8.68, Polkadot 3.84, and yeah, Doge is climbing up. People are still investing. You can see it's climbing up the charts. AVAX, however, is actually dropped back to 11th place and trading at $87. Some of the coins you may want to look at: CRO.com, something that I've been doing recently. I'm actually mining CRO because I think it's for Singaporeans, more than 500 worth of CRO equivalent you keep for 180 days, they will send you a credit card. Of course, you still comply with MAS rulings. If you're based in the US, it's a different set of website that you will go for. CRO.com. Matic also has slightly dipped from $2. You can get great percentage for DAI also on Gemini platform, so something you may want to look at. Of course, Chainlink had a massive drop, so now trading at 17. Yeah, trading $17. Near Protocol also has slightly increased. This is it's a new. They have something called Earn. Let me see if I can get you
Mana is
there.
$2 something.
They have something called, I believe is where was it? I saw it under Earn. There's a NFT portion that came out. I think it's in Coin Market Cap. I think it's near staking. Maybe it's near staking. Let's see. Yeah, so they actually are now giving some rewards. Let me see if I can go to the website. Thought just now I was there. Is it Orc? No. Yeah, I came across it, guys. I have to find that. Maybe I'll cover that tomorrow. Maybe it's not in Coin Market Cap. Maybe it's here. Let's see if I can find it. Reviews, token sales, news, exchanges, portfolio. Yeah, no. Yeah, I can't find it. So,
Probably tomorrow.
but do check it out. Basically, sometimes let me just see if I can find it. I think it was this. Was it this? Yeah, can't find the website. Because this is actually climbing up, and let me just go to the org.
DeFi, is it?
Yeah, they came out with a lot of things to earn. I believe is
Some schemes.
CMC earn, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is the one. Let's see. Yep, this is the one, guys. So
Learn crypto and earn crypto.
yeah, so near protocol.
Oh, I think you had to. I think similar in Binance also was there where you have to read the article to get a reward, right? Is it that?
No, not that one. Yeah, this one is directly. You can watch all the videos, and they have a lot of things that they just launched. So that's why particularly this protocol is actually climbing. So a lot of people are rushing for this. We haven't done our research, guys, but I think just give you some insights into this. Do check it out. It's under Coin Market Cap Earn Project Near Protocol. So you might want to check it out. Maybe tomorrow we'll cover this in a segment.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Part
that's
of
about it,
tokenomics.
guys. That's all we have today. Do subscribe to the channel. Do join us, meet you in the Telegram group. We are growing small community, and like our videos so that we can reach out to more people.
Yeah, I think this community is also the YouTube also is growing. We recently completed 1K subscriber, and now after that very fast 1.15K, and then our the followers and community is also growing in Telegram. So do join our Telegram channel. So before we go live, we will be putting the link over there. So you'll be aware that what time we are going live. So see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Same time, same channel. Bye for now.
Yep.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you